Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a Google Classroom. First you go to the search bar and you search Google Classroom, Google. You click enter and there should be saying this one that says Classroom Google for Education. You click on that. And I'll be showing you get more time to teach and inspire learners with Classroom. And underneath that, it would say a free and easy tool helping educators effectively managing assess progress while enhancing connections with the learners from school, from home, or on the go. And beneath that, there should be also saying get G Suite for free and go to Classroom. You click on go to Classroom and it will be loading. Then it will be showing you create or join class. There should be this button that says join class or create class. Click on the one that says create class. And it will be saying using Classroom at a school with students? If so, your school must sign up for a free G Suite for Education account before you can use Google Classroom. Learn more. G Suite for Education lets schools decide which Google service their students can use and provides additional privacy and security protections that are important in a school setting. Students cannot use Google Classroom at a school with personal accounts. Under that, there should be this check mark. If you scroll on it and click on it, there should be this check mark, and it would say, I've read and understood the above notice, and I'm not using Google Classroom at school with students. And then it'll be class name, section, subject, room, anything. So you could do any class name required, but it's required, so you have to do it. So I'm going to do how to make your bed easy. Oopsies, I spelled easily. The section, subject, and room are not required. I'm just going to do the subject. The subject I'm going to do is, let's do neat. Oopsies. Neat room. And if you want, you can also do the section and room, but I'm not going to. Then on the bottom right, there should be this cancel and create button. You click the create button. But if you want to cancel, you could also click the cancel button. Then it will be loading. And it will show this. This is the title. You could change the title. I'll be showing you how to change it in a few minutes. And the class code is SPLAWYH. And I'll show you about the class code in a minute. Over here is the theme. You could change the theme. Like, if it's about general, then you could do the general. If it's about history, then you could do history. If it's about math and science, then you could do math and science. If it's about arts, then you could do arts. If it's about sports, then you could do sports. And if it's about anything else, then you could do anything else. But you do not have to pick. If yours is about sports, but you want to do arts, you could do that too. I am going to do let's do this one. Let's do this 10th one. And click, when you're done, you could do select class theme, and if you want to do cancel, you could just do cancel. Now you can see this thing. Here is where you know something. Hello. You want to say hello. Today we are going to learn how to make a make your bed on E-A-S-I-L-Y. And once you're done, there should be this post button, and you could just click post. Now I'm going to show you the settings. So you click on the settings tab, and if you want to change the class name, you could do that. If you want to do just a class description, like please join at 5:30. Thank you. Then the section and room, if you want to change it or add it, then you could do it here. And it'll show this general, like invite codes, mandated invite video, invite codes, which is you could do turn on, turn off, or reset. Then it'll also show the inviting link. You could copy it, and you could go to email or Gmail and show them. You could send it. Then the class code is SPLAWY, which I'll be showing you in a minute. And the class view, which is this. It's the the class code. The stream is you could if you want this to only be to stop other, to make sure that other people can't post or comment, then you could do only teachers can post or comment. But if you want the students can only comment or post and comment, then you could click that. Then the classroom stream is this. You could hide notifications, attachments and details, and show considered notifications, and show deleted items. So you could show deleted items, only teachers can view them though. And the grading. So grade calculation, overall grade calculation. So you can do no overall grade and total points, or view by category. It will also show overall grade to students. You can turn that off or turn that on. And grade categories, add a grade category, and you can add it if you want. Now I will be showing you how to join a classroom. Just make sure you save it though. If you do it, make sure you save it. Let's just do this display and copy it. Make sure you copy the class code. Then you have to make sure you don't go on the same the same account, or it will not work. Now you go to Google Classroom, enter, and the one that shows. Now you could do join class, and you could just copy and paste it. If you don't, you could copy and paste it, or you could just, if you didn't copy and paste it, you could copy and paste it now. Or you can also just do it from there. and you can click join once you're done. The join button will be on the top right. Now you can report abuse or copy the link. You can announce something to your class. But and you can over here, if you want to save it, you click here. I'll save. So if you refresh it now, then you can't talk or anything. Now you can over here is classwork, so you could create a classwork. You click on the create button, and there will be like all these things like assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse post, and all this stuff. Then there is people. So for people, it will show the teachers and the students. You could add a teacher. You could invite a teacher, so you have to do the email of it or the name. And students, you have to do the same thing. And you could copy this and send it to them. So, and this is great. For grades, you have to do assignments, add them, create them, and you could look at the people's name and you could do their grades. Thank you for watching, and before I leave, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this channel with others. Thank you.